Hello students, welcome back to first PUC economics class. So in previous class we were discussing about the census of India. So it was under the second chapter of collection of data. So census is nothing but it is a survey which includes every component of the population, every component of the population, okay, every element of the population. So it carried out 10 years once in India. It carried out 10 years once. Every 10 years once we can calculate the population. It was started from 1981. So under this we can collect the complete information about like age, literacy rate, employment, unemployment, poor, rich, life expectancy. Okay, everything also we can collect the information. So here that census cannot leave the few people, cannot calculate only few people, it will not do like this only. It will collect the complete information. It can collect complete population of the country. It is also called as complete enumeration method. Okay, complete enumeration method. Which one? The census. It is also called as complete enumeration method. So recently in 2011 only we conducted the census. Okay, in last class we discussed about complete information about the census. So actually this census conducted by the India like under the chairmanship of Census Commissioner of India. Census Commissioner of India. So under this the Census Commissioner of India appoints the superintendent of census operation. Superintendent. Okay, superintendent. So again, like the superintendent appoint each state like a census officer, like each state, and also the district census officer in each district. Okay, under the chairmanship of Census Commissioner of India. So Census Commissioner of India appoints the superintendent of census operation in each state, and district commissioner or district census officer in each district. Okay, so census operation conducted by the educated class of the country. So the census collect the information about people, how many are lived in the country, right? So in this through census we can calculate the age, like how many are children, how many are age, like how many are adults, how many are like old age. Okay, and also how many are educated, how many are uneducated, how many are working, how many are not working, how many are searching about the job. Okay, what is the life expectancy, like a lifespan, what is the life expectancy, and also what is the literacy rate. Everything also we can collect the information under the census. Okay, census, it is a survey which includes every element of the population. Okay, every element of the population. It is also called as complete enumeration method. It was started from 1891. Okay, so recently if you observe the census 2011, so these are all features of 2011 census, of census 2011. Actually at the time of 2001 the population of our country was 102 crores. Okay, and under the census of 2011 the total population of our country, it was 121 crores. 121 crores. You have to imagine how much increased. According to 2001 census, only 102 crores. Okay, right? In 2011, 121 crores. 121 crores. Then average expected life, that is we can call like life expectancy. So life expectancy means like how many years they can live from the birth. That is the expected average life, that was 65 years. 65 years. Female a little bit more. Maybe for example, if the male 63 or 62, the female will be 65. Okay, up to the 68 also. Then male and female ratio. Every 1000 population, so every 1000 male, we can see 940 females. Okay, every 1000 males, we can see 940. You understood? 1000 male people. Just while calculating, we can calculate the ratio. This is ratio only. Every 1000 male people, like 940, that is female. The male ratio was 1000, female was 940. Then density of population. Density of population means you know that very well. The number of people lived in a square kilometer area. Lived in square kilometer area. So that was 382 persons per square kilometer. 382 person per square kilometer. So per square kilometer, how many are lived? That is 382 persons. 382 persons. Then what about the birth rate per thousand? Just we have to calculate the per thousand. 22.5. Okay, 22.5. Every 1000 person. Every thousand we can see that 22.5. Then death rate. Every 1000, 7.3. 7.3. Then annual growth rate of population 1.6%. Annual growth rate of population is 1.6%. And very important is average literacy rate or ratio. Average literacy ratio, that is very important, 74.04%. Very important. It will come for 1 mark, like in the fill in the blanks. So they will ask what is the average literacy rate according to 2011 census. So we have to write like that, 74.04%. 74.04%. So these are all features of the census 2011. Census 2011. So census, it is nothing but it is a survey. Census is a survey which includes every element of the population. Every element of the population. So it is related with the Indian population statistics. Which one? Census related with the Indian population statistics. Okay, so it is collected every first year of every decade. First year of every decade. Decade means every 10 years. Once it can collect the information about people. Maybe 2021. Okay, the next census will conduct, that is 2021. So it is collect the information or provide the complete information about the population, like age, employment, unemployment, educated, uneducated, then lifespan, birth rate, death rate, everything we can understand with the help of census. So these are all features of 2011 census. Very important. Don't forget, at the time of 2001. At the time of 2001, it was 102 crores. 102 crores. So here the total population at the time of 2011 was 121 crores. 121 crores. Average expected life, that means lifespan. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬದುಕಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಬದುಕ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 65 years. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್, ನೀವು ಒಂದು 3 ವರ್ಷ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬದುಕ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬದುಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Okay, life span. Then density of population. Density of population, I said how many people are living square kilometer area. Square kilometer area. So here density of population 382 person per square kilometer. 382 persons per square kilometer area. Then birth rate, that was 22.5 for every 1000. Death rate 7.3 for every 1000. And annual growth rate of population 1.6%. It's very important. And last one is average literacy rate. That is literacy rate of 2011 census. Literacy rate of 2011 census. That 74.04% or 74.4%. 74.4%. It is also very important. Census, this method It's very important method to calculate a population. It cannot leave few people, it cannot only collect few people, it can collect the complete information about the population. It is also called as complete enumeration method. Okay, so this is the one of the most important secondary data sources or sources of secondary data. So after this we have to discuss sample survey. That is also very important. Sample survey. Okay, this about the sample survey we will discuss in next class. Thank you.